What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be looking at a drag race between a Tesla Model S Plaid and a Dodge Demon. On the screen you can see the side-by-side comparison. We have a Dodge Demon with drag radials prepped for the drag strip against a stock Tesla Model S Plaid, and let's see how they're going to do. So the first race, it's going to be the stock Demon against the Model S Plaid on a prep drag strip. And we can see off the launch, it's actually not too far off because the Demon has insane grip at low speed with the radials, but then the Tesla just has too much power. And yeah, it's really not close. So what I want to do with this race is see what it would take power-wise for the Demon to beat a Plaid or at least compete with it. So what I just showed you was a simulated drag race. This simulation takes into account a bunch of stuff. So weight of the car, power curve, gearing, rolling resistance, air resistance, a lot more things. But the cool thing about it is you can add power to cars and see how that changes their performance. And so what I'm showing you now is a modified version of that Dodge Demon. So it has 1,100 foot-pounds of torque and makes 1,240 horsepower. And we're going to see how this beast matches up against the Plaid. So we have the modified Demon on top and the Plaid on bottom. And let's see what this thing looks like. So Demon gets a pretty crazy launch, slightly slower than the Tesla, 0.1 seconds behind on 0 to 60 it looks like. Then they have 0 to 100 times that are identical, and quarter mile times that are identical. So both 9.22 at 153, really close. These cars couldn't be more opposite, but they have pretty similar results in the quarter mile, which is cool. Let's see what a rolling race looks like. So I set up a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, which will go a half mile. Again, the Demon's on top. So it looks like the Tesla gets a little jump right at the beginning, and then the Demon claws its way back. And we'll keep pulling, looks like, all the way to the top, except until maybe the very top. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think Dodge is going to do with their new flagship models. Are they going to keep increasing horsepower? Are they going to go electric? How are they going to start keeping up with these crazy electric cars? Let me know down below. I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll talk to you next time.